Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Sankal and I'm currently pursuing BTech in Computer Science Engineering, third year in Ramaya University of Applied Sciences. Welcome to the presentation. So my presentation is Shunzai Predict. It stands for Seasonal Vegetable Prediction. So my theme was Theme 6, which is AI-powered smart markets for smart produce for TOA software. Let's move into the presentation. So the problem itself, the challenge which the agricultural people face, the farmers in Japan face, are it's really a challenge for them because they face severe volatility due to unpredictable weather and also logistical failures and fluctuations and disruptions to destabilize the entire supply chain as a whole. This impacts a lot of people, including the farmers as well as the retailers. The farmers' income is affected, whereas the retailers themselves have leftover stock, which is a waste. Again, this creates an inefficiency that ripples throughout Japan's agricultural system as a whole. So this is the problem which is faced in many countries as well. So introducing Shunzai Predict. What is our solution to this problem? Core innovation is, what is our core innovation? Is a hyperlocal AI platform which delivers highly accurate pricing models and sales forecasts tailored specifically for Japan's unique agricultural landscape, that is keeping in mind your weather conditions, the Japan's environment and the seasons. What is our mission? To empower every stakeholder from small-scale farmers to major retailers with actionable data, intelligence to make them smarter, more profitable decisions. What is our motto, or you can say as a tagline? Our tagline is from peak season to peak profits. Let's move on. Okay, coming to the technicalities as a whole, how will we implement this? It starts from the data aggregation. That is, we ingest the data of different agricultural aspects from, say, institutions like MAFF, Agricultural Statistics, JMA, Weather Patterns, Logistics and Networks, and Consumer Trend Analysis using advanced NLP processing. Coming to the AI analysis, our sophisticated hybrid model will combine time series forecasting with machine learning algorithms and LSTM neural networks to process complex multidimensional data patterns. Coming to the hyperlocal forecasting as a whole, it generates precise price and demand predictions customized for each prefecture's unique agriculture characteristics and market conditions. That is, it will be specific to that region in Japan. Again, it will be specific to Japan, but again, inside Japan, different areas will have different weathers, different environments. So we will cater to those needs as well. Actionable insights, it delivers a clear, implementable recommendations through an intuitive dashboard interface designed for practical real-world application. So let's come to the reality part, grounded reality. We will not be doing any testing or forecasting, and we will use a model which is already proven. We will not be in experimental phases. We will use something which is already proven. As mentioned, no experimental or theoretical technology, only reliable and scalable solutions. Accessible data. We will utilize the data which is already publicly available from public data repositories, commercial data sources. That ensures high consistency and high quality as well. Coming to the seamless integration, I myself believe in enhancing rather than replacing. So instead of replacing an existing system which is already there in place, let us just enhance that to make it more feasible as a whole. Seamless integration designed to collaborate harmoniously with Japan's existing JA cooperative system, ensuring rapid adoption and practical implementation across Japan and other agricultural communities as well. So again, emphasizing on the fact that we will enhance the existing system, not replace it. Okay, a small relation between the nations as a whole. The Japan, it has a lot of impact when you go for this model as a collaboration. You can see that farmers get a stable income, retailers dramatically reduce the food waste which is there when dead stock is there, and consumers benefit from a more stable and predictable pricing so they can plan their household works. And potential in India. Coming to the agricultural part, I think India also faces a similar issue, so it is relatable to India as well. So again, this model can be easily repurposed into an Indian model as well, empowering support small scale farmers again and partnerships. It will also foster an Japan India collaboration, which is very much appreciated as well. So yeah, in the agri-tech innovation, the knowledge exchange will also take place. Moving on, a strategic fit for TOA software. How will it fit? Because the theme alignment, which was already given, smart markets for smart produce, it aligns perfectly with that. And coming to the market positioning, it positions TOA software as a pioneering innovator in the rapidly growing and sustainable agri-tech industry. As you can see, agri-tech is one of the growing fields, which is definitely gonna be there for a long period of time, because that is the core purpose and the essence of living. Because food is something we cannot replace. Therefore, agriculture is there to stay. So the core strengths, it leverages towards established expertise in software development and advanced data analytics to address critical real-world agricultural problems. So it gives the TOA software a way. It was using their expertise, we can come up with an excellent solution for the agricultural agri-tech needs. So yeah, that was about TOA software. So visualizing the insight as a whole. Sorry, you don't want to do this. Okay. Visualizing the insight as a whole, we'll have a clean and intuitive dashboard designed specifically for Japanese farmers. And product focus, obviously, we have just taken an example of Ibaraki lettuce, a real-time market intelligence for premium produce. Forecasting, we are estimating a 5-day forecast so that the farmers as well as the retailers can plan their sales accordingly. And smart recommendation, something like this, it will show you. That is optimal shipping window. Within 48 hours, we can predict the price. It is increased by 8%. This gives the farmers some leverage as well as the retailers to sell out their stock or stock up on new supplies. So yeah, that was about TOA and agri-tech. Coming to key takeaways, a hyperlocal. Coming to the summary as a whole, what is our main project? It is a hyperlocal and context aware, meaning it is tailored and it will be modified to each zone separately. That is, in Japan, again, various different states or various different parts will have different conditions, so it will be hyperlocal. That is, again, in Japan itself, different conditions, it will cater to those needs. It is feasible and practical because it will be using proven technologies rather than already existing, theoretical technologies. And we are aiming to enhance the existing systems rather than replace them. Again, integrate seamlessly with current agricultural systems, that is what I meant. And high impact and scalable, obviously, it is going to cause a huge impact on the farmers, retailers, as well as the consumers. So it is a win-win situation for everyone. And coming to scalable, once it is implemented in a particular zone, we can start scaling it to a very vast level and throughout Japan as well. So that was my presentation on smart produce for that was my presentation for smart markets and smart produce. Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu. This was Sankalp and this was my time.